Look at these three triangles. They look different, but how exactly do we classify them? Let's find out. We classify by sides. Scalene has no equal sides. Isosceles has 2 equal sides. Equilateral has all 3 equal. Now by angles. All angles small means acute. One 90-degree angle means right-angled. One angle greater than 90 means obtuse. Remember, angles always add to 180 degrees. Common mistake. Don't confuse right-angled with obtuse. Check the largest angle. Memory trick. SIE for sides. ARO for angles. Scalene, isosceles, equilateral. Acute, right, obtuse. Easy to remember. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.